course, you are the meal. We're going back in time to the first Thanksgiving to get turkeys off the menu. That's right. We're going back in time to the first Thanksgiving to get turkey.
Penetrating space-time continuum. I can feel time warping.
He needs some milk. What the fuck? What the fuck?
Gay!
He needs some milk.
Jake, what happened? You're only gone like a second.
I've actually been gone for years. Have you heard about the turducken?
The best day of my life.
Hey, corn!
And every year, they don't listen. I'm not gonna dress it up. Turkeys are dumb.
Corn.
Really dumb.
Dumb.
It's an old TFF trick. It's called sound diversion.
Are you kidding me?
No.
Ah, well, a traitor among us! Perhaps.
It was those bleeding birds.
You mean turkeys? Did they?
Ain't regular birds. They got magical powers. I've seen them disappear into thin air. Seen another two flying in a giant egg. They're playing with my mind, trying to drive me crazy.
Well, I should say they've succeeded. Eh?
Dogs.
Dogs. Yeah, I feel it too. Yeah, let's just be dogs. I'll be a boxer and you just be a Shiba Inu.
Oh, hell nah.
Dogs. Yeah, I feel it too. Yeah, let's just be dogs. I'll be a boxer and you just be a Shiba Inu.
I have a plan. I discovered where the hunters store their weapons. We destroy the weapons, we stop the feast.
Yeah. And the hunters won't be a threat, and the flock will be safe.
Exactly.
And Jenny's dream comes true. What?
I promise, you can all hold out.
Yes, Governor Bradford is right. We can all hold